Hey guys, it's Monica. So I'm a little bit sick right now, and yeah, my voice is annoying. I already know that, but we're just gonna move forward. So I am kind of disappointed that my Halloween costume, 31 days of costumes thing got interrupted. It was going good for literally 2.5 weeks, and then one day, I don't even know how to explain this, but I tried to use this scheduling app for Instagram. Basically, you upload your picture and then you set the time that you want it to be posted at, and you enter the caption and all the hashtags. You literally do everything. And so I did that, and then all of a sudden, 2 days later, I realized, oh shit, I didn't post anything. So I forgot to turn on notifications, and you have to post it yourself. And that's really cool, so it was pretty much pointless for me to do that. But anyway, today is Halloween, so happy Halloween, guys. I'm going to be doing my last costume right now. And just to let you know, if you haven't seen the title, I am going to be doing Princess Fiona from Shrek. Shrek is literally my favorite movie. I remember seeing the first one, the second one, and the third one all in theaters. I think the first one is the first movie that I went to without parents, and I went with just my friends, and it was so much fun. Actually, no, the second one was the first movie that I went to without my parents, and we just went with our friends. We were in the 2nd or 3rd grade, and our parents waited outside the movie theater, and we got to go, and it was so much fun. But yeah, I love Princess Fiona. I think that this is going to be a super fun costume. I wanted to do both ways, so I'm going to do a little before and then a little bit after, and it's just going to be fun. So let's get started. Alright, so I had the hardest time finding a Princess Fiona costume that wasn't $1 million, because you can buy her exact costume dress replica, but I really did not want to pay full price. But then I found this top. This is a shirt. This is I'm so embarrassed to even show my stomach, but I would never wear this on Halloween. This is totally, I don't know, not that kind of girl on Halloween anymore. It feels like this is a little bit inappropriate. Gotta pull my yoga pants all the way up so none of my belly is showing, and then it's supposed to be off the shoulder, but I'm not about that, so we're just gonna tuck this in and move on. So so first I'm going to be doing the Princess Fiona without before she's green. So I'm basically just going to be doing a basic pretty makeup look. And now I am realizing that I left my eyelashes and eyelash glue in the car. Same with my eyeliner. So we will see how we will get along with those. Without those.
Here we go, knocking at your door. The outlaws just hear our feet. Tell me, child, trick or treat.
found a new eyeliner. I totally forgot that I bought this. I didn't even get to try it yet. Literally went all the way to the States to buy this. Milani. I've heard that this brand is really good, so let's try it and see. I hope it's a brush. I didn't even look at what kind it is. Oh, it kind of is a brush. Let's see how it goes on.
Tell me, child, trick or treat. Here we go, a knocking at your door. We are close, just hear our feet. Tell me, child, trick or Here we go.
That's a little bit better. Now I'm just going to do the hair. I'm just going to put a quick dry shampoo.
Trick or treat. This night, you're gonna find that people live in graves. We're living dead.
Dropping everything. Okay, so I've got my extensions here. If you do follow me on Instagram or my blog, I just posted about these hair extensions. I am going to be making a video soon just because I love them so much, and they are so much easier to use than all of the other extensions that I've been using. Like, they're literally on. That was it. If I do wear my hair down, it takes a little while because I just have to blend the top of my hair into them. But pretty much that's it. Just gotta like brush them together. Okay, now let's do this braid. So she just has like a basic braid going in the back. I'm not gonna get too fancy. I'm just gonna do the same braid here. I'm going to leave these front pieces out. There. Easy braid. I think everyone knows how to do the easy braid. I'm just going to take the 3 sections. This piece of hurt. It's stuck. Also, my mirror is super tiny, so I can't even tell if I'm doing a good job. So yes, the princess does have like orangey brown hair. I literally have a wig. I'll show it to you guys right now. I'm staring at it. I hated the wig. I tried to brush it. It's like a rat's nest. I couldn't do it. I just need my tiara and to fix this stupid shirt that keeps like friggin' slutifying this video up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go get my crown. Okay guys. Oh my god, I have the craziest story before I get on with this, and this has nothing to do with this tutorial, but today I went to the gym for the 2nd day in a row, might I add. I went to the gym for the 2nd day in a row, and like, whatever, it's like getting cold now, like everyone's getting sick, whatever, And in this one room in my gym is just like an empty room, like free for all, do whatever you want in there. So like, you know, people go in there when they like don't want anyone to talk to them, like don't want to hear anything, just like concentrate on themselves. So I'm like working out, like doing my stuff, and this like girl's like working out, doing her stuff. Then this older guy comes in and he's like like hacking it up, like spitting on the floor. So disgusting. This girl is like, he has headphones on so he can't hear us. This girl comes up to me, she's like, is this a joke right now? Like, this guy is disgusting. And he's just like coughing. Finally, I'm like, whatever, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go work out somewhere else because this is just gross. Pack up all my stuff to leave. Go to leave. As I'm leaving, she's like, I'm gonna say something to him. And I was like, okay, go girl, like, do you. Like, comes with me as I'm leaving, like we're teaming up as a squad or something. And yeah, here comes Logie. Heyo! Come here. What you got there? 2 doo-doos and 2 drinks? So anyway, she goes up to him and she starts yelling at him, telling him that he's disgusting. And I was like, you can't yell at somebody for coughing. I literally like grabbed my stuff, ran away. I was like, I'm not part of this like conversation. It's just, it was like too much for me. You made a funny face on the pumpkins? Okay, but anyway, now let's get on to the ogre part of the princess. Logie, what are you doing? What are you hungry for? Careful. Do makeups first. Buddy. You were supposed to be sleeping. How long did you sleep for? An hour? Okay, here we go. No turning back now. And I am going to need to move this hair like behind my ears. Get it down. You're in my way. Now Logie's here. Now he's going to be doing my makeup. If my boobies would stay in there.
I do this.
Logie, go find Mommy's phone. I need to see a picture of what this gal pal looks like. Don't touch, that's mine. I need that one.
Trick or treat.
Seriously, buddy? Why did you do that?
I don't make.
Logan, come on, man. Is this a joke?
I just cleaning it.
No, stop. You're making it worse. Look at this. Why did you do that?
I don't make. Oh, on my finger. On my finger.
Yeah, I know you painted on your finger. Okay, stop, please. Stop. Just stop.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to.
I don't think I showed you guys how bad this just got. Yeah. What did you do? Look at my makeup. This was a gift. This was a gift makeup. Why? Why? Why?